Hello, I'm making a sweet popular in Turkey and Iran. To make 12 pieces of sweet, we need 200 grams of shredded filo pastry or kataifi, 1 or 2 muffin tin, 1 cup of ground pistachio, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, 4 tablespoons of rose water, 200 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of green cardamom, and a pinch of saffron. Boil sugar and butter and a pinch of saffron. Then use your fingers to open kataifi pastry. You should open it really well. So it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. It expands in size. I use 2 bowls, each for 6 pieces. You can buy filo pastry in any Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, or Asian supermarket. Add 100 grams of your butter to 1 bowl. Mix it really well. It takes time. Add 2 tablespoons of rose water. Mix it again. Mix cardamom and pistachio. Mix it really well. It should be even. Set it aside. Bring your muffin tin. Place some of the mixture of kataifi, butter, and rose water at the bottom of each hole. Use your fingers to press. Also, you can use a tablespoon to press. Use a tablespoon. 1 tablespoon for each piece is perfect. Pistachio and cardamom. Use the tablespoon to press. Then we add the top. Again, kataifi, butter, and rose water mixture on top. So this amount, like 100 grams of kataifi and 100 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of rose water, is perfect for 6 pieces. And I'm going to make another 6. Clean it up. Press. Put it in the oven, 180 degrees for at least half an hour. You can open the oven and check because you can see when the sides are golden, it's ready. This is the mixture, the syrup I made. The color is because of saffron. It's a little bit thick, it should be. 1 tablespoon on each piece. Leave it for 10 minutes. It soaks really well. You can serve it with some whipped cream and black tea. Enjoy.